Okay guys, so apart from Explorer, another thing, so guys, the last thing I want to talk about that you need to pay attention when you come to Dexscreener is Bubblemaps. Look at Bubblemaps here. Remember, I've done about 2 or 3 videos about it, but let me briefly touch it. Some of you may need it. So if you go to Bubblemaps will show you the interconnectivity of wallets. That is, if the developer of any token has multiple wallets, it's going to show you in Bubble. That is what Bubblemaps does. So let me briefly click on it, and like this particular token. So as you can see, so all this, for instance, let me, as you can you see, as I'm drawing this one, you can see that it's drawing others. So that is the interconnectivity of those wallets. So one wallet here is connected to another. So in most cases, that one wallet, as it is connected to others, it simply tells us that the other wallet belongs to the same person. So when you see like this one now, so you may be seeing one wallet, but the bubble will be able to detect that this particular wallet owner has other wallets that are connected together. So that is what Bubblemaps does. So when you come to Bubblemaps, if you are checking out any token and you find out that the Bubblemaps is showing a lot of cluster wallet, so it is advisable that you move away from that kind of token. Though the developers, they are outsmarting trader this time around, that some cluster wallet may not even show on Bubblemaps. But like this one, actually there are cluster wallets here, but nevertheless it's not bad. If you are clever, as we all know that when you are trading meme token, you need to be clever with it. So it's not bad. And there's other things you can do. You can click here. You can, for instance, if you click on any wallet, you are going to see the percentage, you are seeing the value and everything, and many other things you can do, which I'm not going to explain everything, because you can check out other videos I've done about Bubblemaps. Check my YouTube, you can check my TikTok. You are going to see a video I did specifically about Bubblemaps.